Sana Siamtanda found Velapi in a room with his baby mama and she lost it. Oh, Sana Siamtanda is my kind of a girl. Did they not get huge hot slaps? Baby girl started with Velapi, two slaps. And Kesana are not umlungu kaVelaphi trying to interject and be like, no, Siamtanda, you cannot do this. And Siamtanda was like, ukhuluma nobani? Ukhuluma noba wemlungu, like ukhuluma noba. Did she also not get as huge as slaps? It's just like, this is assault. This. Oh, Sana is my kind of a girl. Of course, uVelaphi tried to interject and be like, no. And uSiyamthanda is like, kodwa Velaphi, oh, whilst I'm going through the most like this, you failed to be there for me. You failed to just support and love me. Uvelaphi uba like, lalela Samthanda, I saw you yesterday with my mom's boyfriend. You guys were so cozy. To me, it honestly did not look like you needed support, especially from me. And Samthanda is like, I'm done with you, Velaphi, bro. Like, I am done with you. I don't want to talk to you. Like, I have nothing to say to you. I am just done with you. And I'm like, yeah, be done with this man, bro. Be done with this man, okay? After the whole commission that Velaphi did, in front of his baby mama, talking about, oh, what can I build with you? Have you forgotten that you were up and down, busy kissing my uncle? And uSamthanda uthi sifike nini lapho? Sifike kanjani? Besiyoyenzani? Why are we there? And I'm like, I want to know as well. I want to know as well. And then Velaphi now comes back to be apologizing to Samthanda. Because, Samthanda probably, izinto ngithathe ngamawala I shouldn't have. I'm just like, the nerve of this man just disrespecting uSiyamthanda right in front of his baby mama. But shame, Mandla, uSiyamthanda deals with them. Oh, Sana, Siyamthanda, clock it. You are my kind of a girl. You are my kind. You are my kind. And then, oh, Sana, the Sukulus and the Gometes, they always get Sana, it's okay. So did they not steal a whole safe of money, Kuba and Solomzi? They did. So now they cannot open the safes and they need this money. And now, Uchuma come with the suggestion was, you know what, someone osaziyo lezinto ezikasona uNandi. And uSolomzi gesana ne-ego yakhe ukuthi uNandi phela isidala sakhe. Oba like, no, never. Not in this world, gesana, whereby I will allow my ex-girlfriend. No, it's not happening. Not in this world and not in this lifetime. And Uchuma oba like, okay, since ngathi wena unama solutions angcono, hit us up, okay? Hit us up, and if you cannot come with a better solution, Nandi it is. I think Nandi will come and save the day, because who else will save the day? Sana, I'm still stuck on Samthanda though. Dealt with the Velaphi. Dealt with the Velaphi the way that he should be dealt with. Nje, are you king?
Yo, watching organ harvesting on Homecoming has been nothing but painful for me. I know that it is a real thing, organ harvesting, but really to watch it, it's another thing. I did sympathize with Shobane a bit, when Shwabi kept on bringing more clients that needs to be operated. And now Shobane is expressing that as much as I am a surgeon daughter, but I do not have expertise to perform specific surgeons. Not Ushwabi saying, listen, you have to watch a video then. You have to watch a video and try to perform this surgeon, because we need a liver, we need this and we need that. I am so afraid that Shobane will definitely lose a patient whilst doing this operation. But guess Sana, we can all rely on Dr. Zethu, because it seems like Dr. Zethu is onto them, okay? She feels like something is fishy and she feels like she should investigate further and further. And that's exactly what she is doing. I fear that what Shobane has done is definitely a crime, illegal crime, and there is no coming back from this. Remember that he was released with Usfiso. He was never charged anything. Unfortunately, here he cannot walk away free. He will definitely be charged with stealing human organs, which honestly it is a serious crime. So I don't know. I'm just like, are we ready to let Shobani go? That's also another thing. I'm like, are we ready to let Shobani go? But yeah, the character that he is on now, it's quite boring. And the whole storyline is boring, honestly. It really is boring because I don't know, guys. Like, we don't want to be watching human organs, being stolen or organs harvesting. I don't know, it's just a sensitive topic. Like, what kind of a human are you to do that to another human? You know what I mean? Yeah, guys, we have to admit that Cheza Pictures did us dirty by killing off Osfiso at the peak of a storyline. The storyline was at its peak, but they decided to kill off the main character. Now to watch Homecoming, oh man, it's such a job. Okay, the storyline is work. So we do see that this week, Shobani will be offered a job by Ushwabi and the deputy, and this means that Shobani can go back to clinic. Remember that he was fired from managing the clinic. It means he can go back to clinic. However, they want to do illegal surgeons by taking human organs legally. And Ushobani did say that, Ushwabi did say that Ushobani is used to money. When you are used to money and soft life, it's really hard to go back. So, yep, it does seem like Ushobani took the job. I can't believe that Ushobani is stealing human organs. Like, can you believe it? But Uzethu is like, listen, I'm going to get into the bottom of this. I will not allow Ushobani and his friends to continue and manipulate the system like this. It does look like Uzethu will be kidnapped also while trying to investigate. And I hope Zethu being kidnapped, it will bring back Shobani's conscience. But I feel like Shobani is just within too deep the shenanigans for him to get out. But yeah, guys, like I said, the storyline is super work, if you ask me. I'm not following and I am not loving it at all. But what can we say? Cheza Pictures decided that Usfiso is needed more on the four of us, where we hardly ever see him even then, Oh, Mangwanyana, my babe, I fell for you. Here I was thinking there is a love connection between Mangwanyana and Captain. Little did I know that Captain is only after scamming Mangwanyana. Sana, I fell for Mangwanyana because she was scammed by Captain. Where exactly is she supposed to go to report this crime? Because now she is in the police station trying to report that Captain has scammed her all her inheritance from Vusi. But the police, obviously, this is the captain of the police. Everyone thinks that he is an honorable man. He could never scammed a widow. Oh, poor Mangwanyana, and I feel so naive as well, because I was honestly thinking, there is a love connection between Captain and Mangwanyana. What love connection? Like, I can't with Captain being a whole scammer. I can't. Meanwhile, Captain is not the only one who is a scammer. Shobani on the other side is a scammer as well. Shobani and Shwabi, all these three men are just absolutely disgusting. Now, in the clinic, everyone relies on Shobani to come up with the resources because he was given the funds to come up with the resources. What does Shobani do? Shobani eats the money and provide the bare minimum, Firstly, they needed an aircon. Shobani comes up with only just one aircon. Secondly, they needed an ambulance. Shobani says, you know what, a motorbike will be the ambulance. And it's just, Sana is going south and south and south. But I'm so glad that Metron have clocked Shobani. And Metron is like, I am so disappointed on you, my son. Like, I trusted you so much, and what you are doing is a huge disappointment to me. I'm like, thanks God that Shobani has been clocked. She thanks God that Shobani has been clocked by his mom, Matron.